Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I'm going to be going over a Panasonic cordless landline phone. Yes, that's right. We're in the year 2023, and I'm reviewing a landline phone. Why? Because I need a new one. My landline phones are probably about 15, probably going on 20 years old. Why not just get a new landline? So, that's exactly what I did, and I was even wondering before I obviously did this whole video, do they make new landline phones? Well, right here, this one made as late as September of 2022. Yes, that's right. This is the Panasonic KX-TGD 890 in silver. One phone, one base, made in 2022. No joke. I'm going to tell you all about this, and we're going to go over everything, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and how this thing works. So let's jump right into it, shall we? Trust me, I know what you're thinking. Who? I mean, just who in their right mind would buy a landline phone in the year 2023? Well, guess what? I did. And you know what? Maybe I'm the first, because God only knows the last time somebody bought a landline phone in 2023. I mean, I just got a 14 Pro Max. Now I got a landline phone. So yeah, two phones, right? Awesome. My old landlines are pretty much shot. I had 4 handsets, and personally I never needed them. So I was like, hey, listen, you know what? Might as well utilize what I'm paying for, right? The fact that I could use it means, hey, just in case, I could use it. Taking a look at the box, it says Panasonic cordless phone KX-TGD 890S. I guess S is for silver. Global #1 brand cordless phones. Well, I guess I got the right pick, huh? 1 cordless handset and 1 base. It even says Bluetooth, pair with wireless headphones. So I guess you could hook up AirPods to this thing, which is honestly pretty funny if you ask me. I couldn't imagine going over anybody's house, seeing them with AirPods in, talking to somebody, and the first thing that comes to mind is them talking on this, but through their AirPods. On the bottom it says Auto Robo Call Block, Digital Answering Machine, Long Battery Life, Talking Caller ID, and Full Duplex Speakerphone. So taking a look at what comes in the box, you get the AC adapter, the telephone cord, rechargeable batteries, and the wall mounting adapter. So right here it says add more handsets. This system can be expanded to up to 6 handsets. On the back it says hands-free convenience, full duplex speakerphone, switch sound between receiver and speakerphone, pair with wireless headphones, dedicated button, pair, keypad, allows you to easily pair and connect with wireless headphones. Big and bright, 1.6-inch white backlit display illuminated keypad on handset. Easy call block, manual call block with dedicated button, register up to 1,000 numbers. Auto Robo Call Block, Telemarketer Call Block, 1 Ring Scam Alert. Message Counter, Digital Answering Machine, up to 17 minutes. And these are all the features: Talking Caller ID, English and Spanish, Caller ID with 50 station call logs, shared phone book up to 100 numbers, long battery life, intercom between handsets, 2-way recording, backup important phone conversations, handset LCDs support 2 languages, English and Spanish, wall-mountable base unit, and shock-resistant military standard compliant, hands-free conversation, talk on the phone while performing other activities like doing housework, working on a laptop, or taking care of children, allows you to continue a call while simultaneously charging the handset. Easy setup connection. Pair and connect to Bluetooth devices with just 1 button. The blue button allows you to transfer the incoming or outgoing calls to the headphones. Broad compatibility, supports hands-free profile, HFP. This system can connect with various earbuds, over-ear headphones, conference speakers, etc. Alright guys, being that I gave you a whole laundry list of features and specs, let's open this bad boy up and see what it's all about. We got some batteries right here. Operating instructions. Here's your AC adapter. Here's your telephone line cord. And last but not least, you got the wall mounting adapter, but I'm going to leave that in there because I am not wall mounting this base. Here's the handset right here. It says charge for 7 hours. I just put the rechargeable batteries in. Looking at a few of the settings, you could just see that, you know, it has basic stuff, settings, customer support, baby monitor, phone book, caller list, intercom, Bluetooth, set date and time, speed dial, but I do have to charge this phone up before I could use it. Also, there is some backlighting on the keypads, as you can see right there. Here is the base, very small, very basic. You got a locator button, volume button, erase for your messages, skip messages, I'm assuming, turn your answer machine on and off, play and stop. There's your line right there. Your phone jack goes into there, and you have the power right here. And as for right now, I'm going to be plugging everything in, hooking up the base, and charging the handset. That way I have use of my brand new landline. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, as always, and I'm out.